In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Connect Docusign to Pipedrive CRM. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll have Docusign connected and ready to use for digital signatures directly from your Pipedrive account. This is really helpful if you want to streamline how you send and track contracts, proposals, or any document that needs a signature. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account with a user that has permission to install Marketplace apps. Once you're in, look at the top of your screen for the Marketplace icon. It usually looks like a small shopfront or store symbol. Go ahead and click that icon to open the Pipedrive Marketplace. When the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. Type Docusign into the search field and wait for the results to appear. Find the Docusign app in the list and click on it to open the apps page. On this page, you can quickly review what the integration does, but for now, we'll focus on getting it connected. On the Docusign app page, look for the button that says Authorize, and then follow it by clicking Next. This starts the process of allowing Pipedrive and Docusign to talk to each other. Pipedrive will guide you through a short confirmation flow. Next, you'll see an option that says Allow and Install. Click Allow and Install to confirm that you want to authorize the connection between your Pipedrive account and Docusign. This is an important step because it grants the necessary permissions so the two systems can share information like documents and signature status. After you click that, a new pop-up window will appear asking you to log in to your Docusign account. If you don't see the window, check if your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow them for this site. In the pop-up, enter your usual Docusign login details and sign in. Once you sign in successfully, Docusign will confirm that you're authorizing the integration with Pipedrive. When that's done, the window will close and you'll be taken back to Pipedrive with the integration installed. From there, you'll be able to start sending documents for signature through Docusign directly from your Pipedrive deals and contacts, making your workflow much smoother and more professional.